What's up guys, Show 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog finally. The last couple months have been kind of content-less, not much content. I'm gonna try and do some talking fast here. I'm driving my van now, and as you can probably hear, the doors don't seat very well back there, so it's very loud here. But basically the rundown, I'm gonna make this short because I know this video is gonna be long. I might even have to cut it into 2 videos. And pardon my allergies, it's just that time of year. I'm on my way to Ryan's house right now because it's finally time for something we have not done on this channel yet. We're throwing a cam in Ryan's truck. So did you get a good sound clip of how she sounded for the last time you ever gonna hear it?
Oh no, I didn't.
No?
Too busy tearing stuff apart.
So you got all the coolant drained out of her already?
Yeah, I got a little puddle underground, but you'll have that on these big jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think first thing I want to get the radiator out. So that's just out of the way. Then we can like sit in here.
Did you have to take the radiator out?
Yeah, that's what it said.
You? Okay. Well, you want to do the fans and radiator first then?
Yeah. If you want to start pulling plugs or something, we can do that too.
Alright. So later on in this video, we'll go into more detail about the cam and everything like that, but for now we're just going to start
Ripping and tearing.
Tearing stuff apart. And tearing stuff apart is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to save some video and probably not record too much of it. I'll give you guys updates as we go along and important stuff you need to know. So, totally forgot to, I don't know if we mentioned this before, Ryan did get some new heads. Same heads, and then he sent them down to K-Tech, right? Sent them down to K-Tech. Got a little bit of work done to them. Nothing special, but
New valves.
New valves.
They cleaned all the thread holes. They actually machined open the push rod guides a little bit, so you can put bigger push rods in there if you want. Got my valve springs installed. I don't know if you can see,
but they didn't pour anything. But what did
they smoothed, like, so. Normally, if you can see in there where the valve seat is, there's normally a little lip there, but they smooth that out so there's no lip there. You can stick your finger down there and feel it actually on the back of the valve. It's completely smooth.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
It's a nice smooth transition. You can't feel it on the intake side because the port's too long. At least I can't, I got short fingers, so.
Heck yeah, dude.
Flat sanded.
All right, radiator's coming out.
You wanna tilt it? There's so much room.
All right, radiator's out. It's a black hole, dude.
Wow, there's so much room in here.
So I got this side, the headers are unbolted. All the front accessories are off enough to get the heads off at least. We're taking the intake off, and we're gonna pull the heads.
Holy crap, I didn't think we'd get this far tonight.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. All right, intake's coming out.
I forgot about that stupid vacuum hose for the booster.
All right, well, give me a sec here.
Yeah, it's that foam.
Oh, frick yeah.
Dude, this is gonna look so good in there. Shout out to Motion Racers. They built some really, really nice parts. Nice thing is too, these fit factory O-ring gaskets. All this is factory gaskets, so if I ever need to get a gasket from, like if it starts leaking or something at a pinch, I can go to auto parts or wherever, and they will have the gaskets there, which is freaking awesome. Then this is come out because the way pressure sensor goes there.
Okay, intake's off, valve covers are off. Now we're getting head bolts.
Wow.
Or actually, we gotta take the rocker arms off first, because if you didn't see the video, we did put a rocker trunnion kit in this. and he got new heads, so we do got to swap these over to the new heads.
Well, plus you got to take them off anyway, but...
Heads are coming off. Well, that's not a head.
Start in the back, I would say. We can see how good health my motor's in here.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was a good. I love that crack. That snap.
Oh yeah.
That's the snap there.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Probably stuck on the dowel pin.
Oh yeah. There she is. It's real now.
That looks mint.
All right, you're gonna have to grab
Okay.
it. All right, one head is off clearly, as you just saw. Now to the other side. You doing the other side?
I don't really care.
Don't matter, me. All right, so we ended up getting both heads off. That's what we're gonna call it for tonight. We're gonna start back on this on Saturday morning. Today's Thursday.
We got like what, 2.5 hours into this?
Yeah. So I gotta get a
Maybe 3 hours. Let's say 3 just for good measure.
gotta get a puller for that. Take the front cover off, phaser, pull the lifters, pull the cam.
Yeah. We can pull the lifters right now, realistically, but
Yeah.
there's no real point right now doing it.
And then in the new cam and new heads. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're back at it on Saturday morning. I had to go get a puller for this, so we're gonna take that off. Brian's draining the oil right now, and then we're gonna take the front cover off. It's good and glued on there.
So what if you just threw that one? Oh my god, that's freaking weight savings right there. See how heavy that thing is
Holy crap.
compared to my new plate.
So we've got everything pretty much torn apart up here. I need to go underneath. I'm gonna go underneath and take the oil pan off. While I'm doing that, Ryan's gonna paint some stuff before it rains outside. So yeah, I'm gonna go take the oil pan off and then pull the lifters, pull the pump, pull the phaser and chain, and pull the cam out. All right, guys, I'm gonna say it's been probably an hour since I last picked up the camera.
It's been more than that.
We've been working on this oil pan. The diff, so we lowered the diff down a little bit, but we didn't disconnect any of the axles or anything. And the diff hit the frame right there. The diff meets the frame. So we can't pull the pan yet. Okay.
They don't pay you in the garbage? It only works on Fords, that garbage.
Now we're gonna
Just returned it.
There you go. Got it.
It's out.
There she is. Junk.
We're finally done tearing shit apart.
Nah, yeah, you gotta take tension off.
Oh yeah.
Then you're done tearing shit.
Brand new LS7 lifters. So you may as well tell them what cam you got too. All right, so we're finally on the install process.
That's an understatement.
Finally got everything out that we needed, and it's time to start throwing her back in.
Slap a cam in it.
Yep. You got them right way?
seems like a shorter bolt, Zach. This is a shorter bolt. This ain't the same bolt.
Well, cam's in on the install process. We found that a new cam bolt we got is wrong. It's not long enough. Do you have it with you? So this is the one we got, the new one.
You can see the difference.
Yeah, you can clearly see the difference. So that's cool. Well, here's our situation right now. For the past like hour, we've been driving around to part stores looking for a new cam bolt because the one that I got from my work is the wrong one. It's for an LT1 and it's not the right size. No one has one. It's like a special order thing. So we've been looking around, no luck. Unfortunately, the soonest we can get one is like Tuesday, which doesn't matter for you guys in the video, but that's our situation right now. And we're kind of at a really big standstill. We were gonna put some stuff together, but there really isn't much to put together. I mean, we can put the lifters in, the trays, and the heads on. We can't put the pan back on. We can't put the diff on. We can't time it. We can't do any of that without that bolt, which really sucks. And the shitty part is I leave for 4 days on Thursday morning. So, and the guy who's tuning this is 2 hours north of us. So it's just, the situation's all boned. Alright guys, unfortunately, that's where I gotta end it for this video. As you guys just saw, the bolt that we got was wrong for the cam, so we were unable to finish the truck. Gonna be back at it here within the next couple days. So the install video will be up shortly, I promise. And then we're gonna go up to Kenny Dangler and Northern Performance to get it tuned, and we'll be able to show you guys what it sounds like, how it runs and everything. We're both super excited, so definitely stay tuned. The next video will be up shortly, I promise. And I will see you guys then.